Good morning, everyone. Happy March 2nd, 2026. Dow currently down 192, NASDAQ down 71, S&P down 22, VIX at 21.64. So for my TLC trade, we had a push up, a little bit of a pullback here, and now a bounce. So we've been in about a 30-point range here now for about 40 minutes or so. So I'm getting ready to see kind of, if this is going to consolidate right in here, enter my first TLC trade. My one DTE, I waited till the second bar was about over. Came down, popped back up. When it popped up and then came back down to kind of where it opened, I was like, all right. So VIX was up, so I entered. And after I entered, it kind of pushed up, pulled back now, but it's already hit first profit target, so that's awesome. A lot of times these big pre-market moves, I mean, they're just providing you with opportunity. Sometimes they can be scary, but they can also provide opportunity. So take a look at this TLC trade here. Again, see how this bar finishes here. Just going to sit tight here for the next minute, see where it finishes. I'm going to kind of take a look at what potentially my first one here would be. Looks like we can get about 80 wide with a 37-point expected move. $68.15 here on the put side. 70.45, that would be 50 wide. $67.65. Scale down just a little bit. See how this looks. Looks pretty good, really. You take a look at the charts. Kind of hoping price just consolidates here for a while. So going to go ahead and place this trade. And filled at $6. So let me go ahead and get that posted. Get my OCO order in. Got filled at $6, so 4.8. Profit target 4.5. Trailing stop. All right. That is all set. Now we just need some continued theta decay. Here's the old 1 DTE right here. So just beautiful theta decay on that. I mean, when you can get 200 wide, that's pretty awesome. On a 1 DTE. Getting a little bit of theta getting pumped into that trade I just placed. So you could definitely get a better fill than I got. See Apple coming down a bit. Nvidia up 2.2%. Coinbase up over 5%. Tesla pushing up. Trying to go green. So S&P. Just hoping it kind of starts to chop around right here where it's at. So a little bit of consolidation happening. Let's double check. Let's make sure there's not much news today. Nope. And then tomorrow we just have Fed speakers. So not much scheduled news, but as you know, markets can be hypersensitive to news nowadays. So, but anyway, all right, I got my 1 DTE. Already hit one profit target. I got my first TLC trade in. So now we just sit, wait to hit profit targets. So I'll check in with everybody later. Have a good day of trading and talk to you soon.